First, a few words about PubMed. PubMed is published under the NCBI, National Center for Biotechnology Information, that is a US organization, public organization. NCBI, NLM, this stands for Library of Medicine, National Library of Medicine, and this all is under the National Institute of Health, NIH. So it was also before 1996 we had the opportunity to search medical literature, but at that time it was using the compact discs, and that was not online. Since 1996, PubMed has been made online, and it accumulates millions of articles. It is over 30 million. I don't know actually how many articles are there for us today, but I would guess around 35 million. So there are, of course, scientific work which is not listed under PubMed. So by doing a PubMed search, you cannot conclude that you searched everything available. There are many journals, thousands of journals actually, which are not listed under PubMed. They have a strict strategy, strict rules, and only a certain proportion of articles, scientific articles, can land in PubMed. Okay. Of course, I should warn you also, make these warnings here. If you have more than 30 million publications in resources, it is possible to find any support, any evidence for your for any kind of hypothesis. If you claim that high cholesterol is good for health, there might be some journals, some articles mentioning that. Therefore, you have to be very careful. It's not only searching, but also appraising and understanding and interpreting what you have found is important. Okay. So together with PubMed, we need to know also Medline. Medline is the National Library of Medicine Journal Citation Database, started in 1960. It includes more than 26 million references and 5,200 scholarly journals published all over the world. So if you search Medline or PubMed or PubMed Central was launched later in 2000. It is also a free resource. You may come up with slightly different number of results. Here an example. I searched diabetes in PubMed Central. When you log in, when you open the web page, NCBI NLM Gov NIH Gov /PubMed, there you have these resources, drop-down menu. From there you can select whether you want to search PubMed or PubMed Central. And when you search diabetes, this search I did actually 1 year ago, approximately, you come up with 875,985 articles. When you search PubMed instead, then you have, as you see, 791,000 plus. So it's not exactly the same number, but they include most of the same articles. Okay. Stop here.